Hi, this is Chris, and I'm doing a delivery in Pasadena today of some decomposed granite. Came across a really nice Corten Steel project. Here they've got some 4x4 beams that they've put together. It ties in really beautifully with this old brick building. You can see down here in Pasadena, San Gabriel Valley. Very commonly used material in the turn of the century. Last century. What was that, 2 centuries? What the fuck? Whatever. Anyways, beautiful red brick, Corten Steel, perfect mixture in a new landscape. And they've got the steel edging going in here. I like what they did here. A lot of people just hammer in rebar and it sits up against it. But this landscaper went the extra distance to do it properly and welded the rebar onto the steel. Corten steel is just a steel that happens to rust more easily than other steel, to keep it simple. It arrives looking like this, just shiny new steel, and then as it gets more moist, develops this rusted exterior coating, and it can be ordered to any length. With, well, not any length, typically 12 feet for edging, for up to 14 feet. Can be ordered in many widths, as I meant to say. So in this case, they know they need a piece that's about 6 inches wide, and they cut it on the site, weld it to the rebar. Here they've got a much longer piece. And it all ties in together. Probably should have put a piece of rebar in right here and tucked it in right behind the brick, because that's just not a very good exposed edge there. This should have been pushed in an inch or so that it won't interfere with anybody walking through there. You can see how well it bends to form in the landscape. Overall, a really good job. Still getting a few minor knockdowns. Again, before welding it into the ground, should have had this more flush with the tile. At least in the future they can come back and sand that, grind that down. Anyways, we provide a lot of Corten steel materials, and we'll be making a more detailed listing as soon as we catch up with the web work.